Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do a test page on the HP Deskjet D1360. I'm going to show you how to do the test page without the use of a computer, so we can just do it from the standalone unit itself. Okay, so we need to hold down the power button and open and close the lid 4 times. Release the power button and you'll hear the printer start up. Okay, so you can see there that it's printing a test page. So here's what the test page should look like. We've got some information on the serial number and the model number of the printer here. We can see our printouts. We've got our black here and we've got our 3 colours here as well. You can see that the lines here are a little bit faded, so the printer does need probably a clean on that cartridge, and we can show you how to do that on another video. Okay, so that's everything for today. We've shown you how to do your test page on your HP Deskjet D1360. If you've got any questions, please ask in the comments and give this video a like if you enjoyed it and it was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.